Maytag Commercial Technology washers may fail to fill with water due to inlet valve issues or pressure problems. These are common in commercial settings with heavy use. Newer models have smart diagnostics, but most fixes are straightforward and can be done manually without professional help. The inlet valve controls water flow from your supply lines. It can fail due to mineral buildup, electrical issues, or wear over time, especially in hard water areas. Water pressure must be adequate, typically 20 to 120 psi. Low pressure or blockages in the pressure switch can prevent proper filling. These components work together during the fill cycle. Understanding them helps identify the root cause before attempting repairs. Before checking the washer itself, start with these quick basic checks. First, ensure the water supply is turned on and accessible. Next, verify the hoses are properly connected to the back of the washer and not kinked or blocked. Check water pressure using a gauge. It should read between 30 and 80 psi. Low pressure is a common issue, especially in areas with drought conditions. Finally, confirm both hot and cold water taps are fully open behind the washer. The inlet valve controls water flow into the washer. It opens to allow water in during the fill cycle. If the valve fails, often due to mineral buildup from hard water or electrical problems, the washer cannot fill properly. Symptoms include no water entering the washer or extremely slow filling times. In newer Maytag models, this issue may display an error code like F8E1 on the control panel. The inlet valve is the primary suspect when these problems occur. First, disconnect power to the washer for safety. Locate the inlet valve at the back where hoses connect. Inspect inlet screens for clogs and clean them. Use a multimeter to test the valve's solenoid for continuity. A lack of continuity indicates a faulty valve needing replacement. Use OEM parts for reliable replacement. The water pressure switch, also called a transducer, monitors water levels in the washer by detecting pressure in the hose. It ensures proper fill levels, typically operating within 20 to 120 psi. Low pressure below 20 psi or a faulty switch can prevent the washer from filling. To address this, locate the pressure switch by consulting your washer's manual. Inspect the connected hose for kinks or blockages that could affect pressure readings. If the switch is diagnosed as faulty, replacing it is often a straightforward DIY fix. If the inlet valve and pressure switch appear functional, the issue could be with the control board, though this is less common. The control board sends electrical signals to operate the inlet valve and pressure switch. The control board acts as the brain of the washer, directing power and signals to components. Faults here can prevent the valve from energizing properly. Diagnosing control board issues requires complex electrical testing, typically done by professionals using a multimeter to check continuity and voltage. Maytag provides diagnostic tools and firmware updates through their app or service. Always refer to official Maytag documentation and consider professional help for safety and accuracy. Prevent mineral buildup in the inlet valve by periodically running a cleaning cycle with vinegar. Regularly check and clean the inlet screens. In hard water areas, consider installing a water softener. Predictive alerts and self-cleaning inlet systems are trends in newer models, aiming to minimize no-fill issues. If you're uncomfortable with electrical testing or replacing parts, or if the problem persists after trying these solutions, contact a qualified appliance technician. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect power before working on your washer. Proactive maintenance and prompt repairs can significantly extend your washer's lifespan and save you money.